So that's it. You have seen the chosen 10 contestants and the vote lines are open. You will decide which 9 will make it through. And that announcement will be made next Sunday during our results show live on TVJ at 8 p.m. Now, just in case you need a quick reminder of the contestants and their vote numbers, here's a look back at tonight's performances. I see red, red, oh red. It goes through your head, head to your head.
It's been a long time coming, but I know that a change will come. Oh, yes, it will.
I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone way that I love you.
I can love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart.
I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. Just like me. Oh, if only you knew how much I do love you.
'Cause I wish you the best of all this one could give. And I told you when you left me,
I was just thinking of your kiss and embrace, yeah. So I'm saving all my love. Don't you know that I'm saving all my love? Yes, I'm saving all my love for you.
tell me how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on?